Welcome to MLAC online tutorial, and before us is the number 23 WAEC November 2022 mathematics question, and it says a closed cylinder has height 10 centimeter and a diameter of 7 centimeter. Now find the total surface area of the cylinder. Alright, we know that the shape of a cylinder is given as this. I just want to draw this and explain how you could get the total surface area of a shape. Alright, and it says closed, which means here is closed and here is also closed. Now we have a height. That's a height of 10 centimeter and a diameter of 7 centimeter. Okay, now for us to get the total surface area, here what we just need to do now, let us dismantle this. So we have the shape to be like this particular hollow part, or the body part that seems to be a little bit circular is this. Now this circular part is this circular part is also this. Take note, shaped, rather closed. So the height itself is 10, which is this. Now the length here now happens to be the circumference. Takes the circumference of the circle. Sorry, I shouldn't have. Let me write h here. Now the length now takes the circumference of the circle. So which means the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, right? Yes. Now here is a circle, which is what? Pi r square, and here is a circle, pi r square. Now when we add all this together, take note, the area of this shape here now is length times breadth, which means 2 pi r, which is the radius, times what? H. Okay, so the total surface area will now be this plus this plus this, so which means pi r square plus pi r square, then plus 2 pi r h. At the end of the day, you have 2 pi r square, that is this plus this, now plus 2 pi r h. Okay. Alright, since all the parameters are given, now the diameter, we know that the diameter equals to 2r, that is 2r, one here, one here. So for us to get our r here, will now be r equals to diameter over 2, which is what? 7 over 2. Okay, and our height is 10 centimeters. So let us input these parameters into the equation, or into the expression or formula. So this will be 2 times our pi is a constant, 22 over 7, times our radius, that will be 7 over 2 times 7 over 2, then plus, here you have 2 times 22 over 7. Let me clean this. Times our radius, 7 over 2 times 10. Alright, let's simplify. This will cancel out this. 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 11. Okay, take note, this one's 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 7 here 1, 7 here 1. So we are left with 11 this side. Now plus, here we have 22 times 10, that will give us oh sorry, I guess we're having 7 here, times 7, then plus 22 times 10. So this will give us 77 plus 220, and when you add both of them, so here we have 297 centimeter square. Alright, this is the final answer, and if you love what I've just done, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of every video that I will be uploading, both in physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.